Next, to get off one's chest. To get off one's chest. To express one's true feelings. This idiom is used when someone has long waited to express themselves. Ellen felt a lot better when she finally talked to her counselor and got the problem off her chest. Fide hasn't shared her concern about her marriage with her husband yet. I think that she should get it off her chest soon. To live it up. To live it up. To spend money freely. To live luxuriously. To live luxuriously. Kyle and Eric saved up money for 2 years so that they could travel to Europe and live it up. After receiving a large inheritance from a rich aunt, I was able to live it up for years. To liven up. To liven up. To energize, to make more active, also to pick up. The teacher occasionally took the class on field trips just to liven things up a bit. The animals in the zoo began to liven up when evening came